Hi everybody, I'm Bree the plant lady. This morning I've been busy picking peppers. You can see the plants are growing great and they are still completely covered in fruit. I'm gonna go in and process these and get them ready to be canned into delicious candied jalapenos. I try to be practical and only can the things that we really like to eat. So in the summer, I'm busy canning things like tomato sauce and salsa. But this time of year, when I have large amounts of peppers that are getting harvested, I primarily focus on making candied jalapenos. Now, many people have never heard of this. That's why I keep making videos about them, because they are delicious and they're just super versatile. It's a really simple thing. It's equal parts white vinegar to white sugar. And basically what you do is you slice up your jalapenos, and I actually de-seed mine loosely with this really handy device that just basically cores the peppers. And then you just cook them down in the heated vinegar with melted sugar, and then they'll be ready to go into jars and you can can them in a 15-minute water bath. So that's what I'm going to do this afternoon to take advantage of my big October harvest off of my pepper plants. I always like to give advice from personal experience because I'm really good at doing things wrong. Always wear gloves when you handle peppers. I can't stress this enough. I like to use my gardening gloves, these Atlas Nitrile, because they can go directly in the washing machine, and then I don't risk the chance of rubbing my eyes or going to the bathroom or touching any other surface after I have all that hot pepper juice. So heed my warning, when handling peppers, wear gloves.